question asked from me, that is about what is the difference between the anxiety and depression. Well, there is a huge discussion regarding these two terms, but I'm going to make it easy for you guys right now in a simple way. Well, if you are thinking about the past and you stay calm, you stay depressed, you don't do activities and you don't like to do daily life activities, and you don't have any kind of interest and you lost it, so it means that you are having depression. Well, if you think way too much about the future, what is going to happen in the future, means you're thinking all the time about the future and you're getting yourself in tension about the future. So when you think about the future, it means you have got anxiety. And if you think about the past and you are depressed, you don't like to do anything, or you're not having any kind of interest in doing any kind of job, your daily routine job, or the things that you were supposed to do earlier, and right now because of the feelings or because of the memories that you had in the past, you cannot do that anymore. So it means you are in the depression. Okay, if you think about the past, you are in depression. If you think about the future, you are in the anxiety. So don't think a lot, and just pray. We have the Almighty, okay? Allah, the Almighty. Allah will make it easy for all of us, inshallah. And let's pray. May Allah make it easy for us in dunya and akhirah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.